Aliza, hello. May asawa ka na po ba? Wala pa po akong asawa. Ba kung may asawa? It felt so good to fall in love, and I knew right then. Hi, Arnel. Pero nasaan ka niyan, baby ko? Nasaang lugar ka? Hi, Asian. Nasa house na ako kakatapos magpatulog ng baby. Okay. How naman? Baby mo? Hi, Oliver. Hi, Adlu. Amaris, hello. Alisa! Yes, wow. Galing naman. Ang cute naman. JM, hello. Cute naman. Ikaw nagpapatulog sa baby mo. Cute. Show me that you really know love. Ganda mo naman. Thank you. ID number, hello. Hi, Pogs. Hinaan ko na lang yung boses ko. Baka magising yung baby mo. Hi, JM. Cesar. Hi, boss. Hi, man. Hi, Jeffy. Ikaw din, Kit, pero mas cute si Mrs. Siyempre naman, Mrs. mo naman yun. Mas cute talaga yung Mrs. mo. Ikaw naman. Vince, welcome back. Buti, nagbibigo ka. I mean, alam ng Mrs. mo na nagbibigo ka. Ganda mo. Thank you, Alex. Hi, Mark. Siyempre, di ba, may mga, may mga babae. Ayaw nilang nagbibigo. Tiger! Hi, Mr. J. Sleepy Nami. Okay. Good night. Thank you so very, very, very much. 7-Eleven, Mr. J, hello. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. Aaron, hello. Hi, Chris. I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow. No matter how. Kate, hello. Oh, you're the best part. You're the best. Yan siguro tawagan nyo, no? Bebe ko. Bebe ka. Bebe ka. ID number, hello. Na 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 na. And I don't need those feelings we shared. And I still can't remember how you touched me so tender. Yeah, thank you, ROY. Class S, hello. But I just couldn't see. I'll show you what's gone. Better now.